Hi FiberCreme lovers! Today is International Coffee Day, so let's make a very delicious and healthy coffee dessert, Coffee Flan. This is a very simple recipe that all coffee lovers will adore. So let's get cooking! The first step is making the coffee caramel. So it's just sugar, a little bit of instant coffee because this is a coffee flan after all, and lastly, just a little bit of water. Then we turn the heat on and wait for it to caramelize. The caramel is nice and bubbly like this. We turn the heat off. Now we have to work really quickly because it's gonna set in no time. Just put it in the ramekin, maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons. That's gonna make like a layer of coffee caramel for our coffee flan. Look, our caramel is now fully set. Now it's time for us to make the custard. Today I'm not going to use cream or milk, but I'm going to use FiberCreme. FiberCreme is a multi-purpose creamy dietary fiber, but don't worry, it's going to be just as creamy and more delicious and healthier, of course, if you use FiberCreme. And especially when you use this packaging. If you're a FiberCreme lover like I am, well, this thing is just going to last for weeks. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar because I don't want my flan too sweet. And then coffee. Now, I like my coffee to be just a little bit, but if you're a coffee lover, then go ahead and add the whole thing. And then vanilla. And then just add a little bit of water. And then mix. And add a little bit more and mix. Just make sure that your water is warm enough for everything to dissolve. Okay, all the dry ingredients are all mixed up together and fully dissolved. Now I'm going to crack in 1 egg at a time because it's going to make the custard softer. Give it a little mix. Now we're going to ladle in some of our mixtures into a strainer, so we're getting rid of the excess egg whites that we don't want. Okay, now we're going to pour in this custard on top of the caramelized coffee. Okay, now give it a little bit of tap, so we're getting rid of the air bubbles. And finally, cover it with aluminum foil. And here I have prepared hot water. I'm going to pour it here and create some kind of a bain-marie. This is so that the custard rises in temperature gradually over time. It's gonna make the custard even softer. Let's bake it. I have baked them for 50 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius, and I took them out of the oven when the center is just a little bit jiggly, but the sides are already firm. And I have chilled them also in the chiller for 4 hours. Now let's check it. Next, take a sharp knife and just run it along the rim, like so. Wow, it looks absolutely stunning, jiggly and soft. I cannot wait to try it. Wow, That is the creamiest and softest dessert I've ever had. The creaminess of that custard and the kick from the coffee is pure perfection. And because I used FiberCreme, this flan is extremely creamy. But at the same time, we get a healthier version of coffee flan. If you are a coffee lover, you are missing out big time if you don't try this recipe. And don't forget to tag @FiberCreme and @FiberCreme_TV and let me know what you think about this recipe. If you have any questions, then just comment them and I will answer them. If you are curious about food science, then check out the link down below. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for my next recipes. Thank you for watching and see you next time in the next video. Bye!